All right, chapter 6. This is the chapter about link layer protocols. And some of these link layer protocols might be used by one of these things called the local area network technologies. So, hey, link layer talks about link. A number of these hosts or routers connected to the link, the area it covers is very small, hence the name, local area networks. And we'll try to learn the principles running behind these link layer services. The first is how error detection and correction is done at the link layer, and how we do multiple access control. These are called the MAC protocols. So there are about multiple hosts or routers accessing a shared broadcast channel, broadcast link. So in such a situation, when these hosts send data at the same time, these data might collide to each other, and we ended up having users' data. So one needs to be careful about multiple hosts accessing a shared broadcast channel. You will also hear about another set of addresses we use for the link layer hosts, link layer nodes. So these, a combination of these, might be selected and implemented in one of these local area network technologies, such as Ethernet, such as VLANs. Let's start from the terms. Hosts and routers on the internet are now all called the nodes, and these nodes are connected by the links. These links can be one point to another, a wired link, or a shared broadcast medium such as a wireless link or a LAN. Now, packets at this layer, link layer, or layer 2 are called the frames. Okay, so they are the packet that further encapsulates a datagram. A datagram is how we call a packet in layer 3, right, in the network layer. So in essence, in the data link layer, what we do is to transfer datagram from one node to another node over a link. And these nodes are physically adjacent, close by. So what's interesting about link layer is this. When a packet, a datagram, travels through the internet from a source to a destination, we travel through multiple links. And each of these links could be running a different link protocol or link layer technology. So for example here, we could have a packet travel through Ethernet for the first link, and frame relay for the second link, and Wi-Fi, the last link. Now, each of these link layer protocol might provide different levels of services. So they could be doing reliable data transfer or not. They could be doing multiple access control or not. So here I'm using an analogy, okay, transporting people to compare transporting packets over the internet. So let's suppose we are taking a trip from Princeton to Lausanne, the source and destination. What might happen is this: you take a taxi from Princeton to JFK, the airport, and then you take a plane from JFK to Geneva airport. And then from Geneva, you take a train to Lausanne. Right? So the tourists here, the people we're transporting, will be just like the datagram we are sending over the internet. And each segment is a communication link on the internet. And the transportation mode is a different link layer protocol. And the travel agent is the one doing the routing, okay, coming up with this plan or this route.